Hello, everybody. This is Karthik Poovanam. I'm a leadership coach, author, and a travel explorer. Jai Balaji. Relaxing here for almost been like a couple of hours. A lap of love and grace. Jai Balaji. It's very essential to understand that only in love and grace you get to spend and experience a very good time. Otherwise, it's a very difficult life on this planet. You make very poor choices, and those choices really affect your internal state and your well-being, and they don't give you any opportunity to experience a good time in life. To be calm, to be pleasant, and to feel the nice vibe must be the fundamental priority of every life in this planet, and enjoy a very, very amazing time in life. If you don't do that, life will become very, very dangerous. You'll not feel good, you'll not feel nice, and there won't be any sense of well-being associated. Have a gracious time, everybody. This is Karthik Poovanam. I'm a leadership coach, author, and travel explorer. I'll see you in another absolutely amazing video. Good day.